Hi there, I'm Josh from Fine and Country of Bideford and welcome to Cottage Meadow here in Parkham. This property is a beautiful 4-bedroom detached home set in the rural countryside, but yet only 10 minutes from local amenities. But let's take a quick look around inside. So internally, the property has been completely renovated by the current owners and enjoys a beautiful blend of modern and character features, such as the original inglenook fireplace that you can see beside me here. So thank you for coming and looking around the beautiful cottage meadow here in Parkham. And if you would like to see this property for yourselves, then call our office today on 01237 426 018.